welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to get your Microsoft Edge as your default web browser. Now first, right click on start icon and go to settings. Otherwise, you can also click on the start icon, you can get the settings in gear shape. Now just click on the settings. In left side, you can able to see the option apps, just click on that, and on right side click default apps. In second one, you can see that set default for application. In that search address, just type Microsoft Edge. You can get the Microsoft Edge ad result. Just click on that. Here you can able to see the list of different type of extensions are available. You can able to change your default web browser for all those extensions. For example, I am just changing a .x HTML extension as Microsoft Edge. Now just click on the arrow button and just select your Microsoft Edge and give OK. You can able to see my .x HTML default web browser has been changed to Microsoft Edge. So like that, you can able to change all your extensions by clicking on the arrow button and choosing your default web browser. And now I am giving Microsoft Edge as my default web browser and giving OK. So here you can able to change all your default type of extensions to your convenient web browser. I hope this video tutorial will be helpful for you. If you really like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you all next video. Bye bye. Take care.